we're going to use the same idea that we used in the last 4 problems to put this quadratic function, because see how it now has the y and the x? So you've got a quadratic equation on the right-hand side, and so you have y equals a quadratic, right? And we're going to put that in this special form, y equals x plus h squared plus k. If you think that looks a lot like our x plus big A squared plus b, then you're right. You're absolutely right. Okay. And again, just a reminder that this quadratic function, the graph is a parabola, because that's going to be useful later in this chapter. Okay. So once again, look at the x squared plus 14x. B is 14. Half of b is 7. Square that and put it here is 49. Oh, this is the first time where our number that we added to make the perfect square is more than the original constant. The original constant was 48 and this one's 49, right? So what does that mean? That means when I subtract 48 minus 49, then I'm going to get a negative. That can happen. This is a negative. And then over here, just go ahead and factor that. Okay, same idea. Looking at those two terms, half of negative 10 is negative 5. Squared is 25. But I only had 24 to start, so that means I need a minus 1, right? 25 minus 1 is 24. This is y. Y equals factor x minus 5 squared minus 1. What's going to be interesting later on when we work with parabolas, that is that this 5 and that negative 1, so this order pair that comes from this special form we were just working with, this is going to be the vertex of the parabola. So that means that lowest or highest point. Okay, but that's coming up. So you don't have to worry too much about that just yet, but that's coming up.